Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on NOKIA XR21. So let's start with the first one, and this helps you when you leave your phone somewhere in the room and you can't find it. And here your Google Assistant can help you. You need to activate it for the lock screen and also make sure that you have some volume on your phone, otherwise this won't work. Now we can ask our Google to where are you, or you can say to play some music, and that way your phone will make a sound and it will be easy to find it. Let's try it out. Hey Google, where are you?
I live in a house built out of pixels. Look how pretty it is.
Next one is to translate, so that you can translate basically any language, and then you can also say what should be translated, and you also get the translation loudly on your phone. Let's try it out. Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger.
In Polish, that's
Zjadłem burgera.
Next one is to count calories. You can count calories in any food, and you can ask Google Assistant for it. Hey Google, how many calories in spaghetti?
There are 158 calories in 100 grams of spaghetti.
Okay, and next one is to send a message. So you can send a message to anybody, and also you can speak out what should be included in that message. Hey Google, send a message to my mom, I ate spaghetti.
Alright, what's your mother's name?
And simply replace a name of mom with somebody else from your contacts list. Next one is kind of similar to the previous one, and you can make calls with Google Assistant. Hey Google, call my mom.
Okay, what's your mother's name?
And replace mom with somebody else from your contacts list. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.